In this video, we are opening up 2 of the UGG Telfar collaboration shoppers. Here we go! Hey everybody, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. As you may have seen by the thumbnail and or the title, in today's video, we're going to be opening up 2 very special Telfar Shopper totes. Now, I have been trying to get my hands on these UGG Telfar totes for a little bit over a year since they launched last year, and they announced that they're going to be releasing 3 new types of bags this season. Now, along with the bags, they had a whole line of UGG Telfar things like robes, slippers, shirts, pants, etc. And I didn't snag any of those, but I did jump on the 3 release dates, and I did get 2 of the 3 releases. Now, you guys may know Telfar is a new brand to me, and I've actually really enjoyed the bags that I've gotten. Remember, I did the video on the green bag and, of course, the black one as well. Now, Telfar is quickly becoming one of my favorite bag brands. You guys know I'm a huge Coach fan and, of course, some other luxury lines. But Telfar is really doing a nice job with this vegan leather. Alright, so with all that being said, we're going to be opening up the Telfar UGG collab bags in small and medium, so let's get right into the unboxing. Now, in front of me, we have all 3 of the packages. You might be saying,
John, you said that there was only 2 bags.
Yes, there's actually only 2 Telfar bags. The third item is actually an organizer for the inside of my medium tote. So I got that off of Etsy, so I figured let's just throw it in the video. So without further ado, let's get into the very first one, which is the small shopper. So I've actually never had a bag in the material that I bought the small one in. Now this one was the one that launched on November 10th, my birthday. So the morning of, I just had to buy it. I didn't want this in any other large size. Like I said, I'm not sure how the fleece was going to be doing anyhow as a bag. And I've always been really intrigued about having a small shopper. So that's what this one is right here. As you guys can see, there's some tape on it. So we're going to need to do some magic to harness our powers to get our scissors. All right, and magic. Oh my god. All right, so here we are. I'm going to be as gentle as possible because I would hate to rip my brand new Telfar bag live on video. All right, let's get the first loop in here. Okay, I could have done that much smoother, I know, but here we go. It's just an itty bitty thing. So here we see it's lined, has the UGG logo, and of course the Telfar logo. And this is the fleece shopper. So this is a really small bag that you're not supposed to have a ton of things like your phone, keys, etc. But let's get right into the bag. This bag also sold out the day that I snagged it up, so that always makes me feel, sort of vindicated in the purchase. As I mentioned, this bag is the Fleece Heather Gray, snagged up on November 10th, and it was $175. So let's get our very first loop. All right, the color is awesome, and it is definitely fleece. All right, oh, there she is. Okay, I actually really love the way that embossed logo looks on that material. Oh, how nice. Now, as I did mention, it is a very small bag. All right, let's get the handles off. Now, the handles to me on the Telfar bags are the most iconic piece because they're not adjustable. You either have them as kind of a tote crossbody, or you can, throw all the little straps in the little bag and carry a little handbag purse. Okay, let's do some magic and get it across my body. Magic! All right, so it sits a little high, but I really dig that. I think this would be great for a night out. Like I said, you could fit your phone, your keys, and all that good stuff in it. And of course, you have a little dust bag as well. Of course, I store most of my bags, so this will be really nice to have. Y'all, this is wicked. So that is the Heather Gray Small Shopper from the UGG Telfar collab. That's nice. All right, so the next one is this big old box, and that is a medium shopper. Of course, that's what's in this giant box that we're going to be opening right now. So, of course, let's harness our powers to get our scissors and magic. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is the one that I'm very excited about. Now, this one is the reversible fleece, which means it's kind of inverted from this design, and I'm so excited to see it live and in person. All right, so we have loud noises. Loud noises! All right, I did think I mentioned it in my last video. I love the black large shopper. I think that's a really conducive size to most things that you carry. But I gotta be honest, the large ones were really expensive, frankly. So I did decide on this medium one. In this specific color, they only made them in small and medium. As I shared, these come in 3 different sizes. That's small, medium, and large. And again, this is the one in the middle. All right, here's the first look of the medium Telfar collaboration. Oh my goodness, you guys, that is so fluffy and so nice. You guys, I am not often shocked by a bag, but I absolutely love this bag. This is just a stunning bag in person, and of course you guys see the shearling there, which UGG of course is known for, and of course the iconic Telfar logo there. I am so happy right now. You guys, this is everything. I love it so much. All right, let's do some magic. Let's wear it as a quick crossbody. Magic! Oh man. Okay, you guys, that is the bottom of it. That is it. Let me give you a quick look inside. Magic! All right, so here is the inside. Of course, we have some nice tissue paper. That's cool. Awesome. A dust bag, which we love, and of course, just a general tote in there, and a nice little zipper pocket there in the back. You guys, I'm obsessed with this bag. I love it. I don't even want to put it down. I really love this bag, especially for winter time. Oh, wow. Just wow. Look at all the fuzzies.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Oh. But seriously, you guys, I love this Telfar tote. So I'm going to put it just to the side here, because as I shared with you guys, we have another item which is going to be going inside of this, hopefully, so long as the fit and color work. All right, so here we have the organizer, which I had purchased on Etsy. I believe I've used this shop before for another one of my bags. And we're just going to go right in. You guys, I think the color is going to be a very close, if not a perfect match. Alrighty, let's open this up.
A few moments later.
So I snagged this one up, and this is actually the base model, and I did a whole bunch of little upgrades inside of the organizer to have some extra cases, like 2 little lipstick pouches, key holders, 1 with lanyard, just to keep things nice and organized inside. All right, now let's do some magic and put that little organizer inside my brand new UGG Telfar. Magic! All right, so there it is inside. We got some nice organizing pockets there, and I cannot wait to use this bag. Alrighty, now here are the bags side by side. As you guys can see, the small shopper is substantially smaller than the medium, and right here was the comparison between the medium and the large. Now, I enjoyed that unboxing immensely, so check it out. Telfar releases new bags basically every week, and of course have really fun launches and drops like this UGG Telfar collaboration. Now, if you guys like this video, please make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to hit subscribe and that little notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Remember, I post new videos Saturdays at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. You can follow me all over social media at JohnLannon, and if you want to learn more about me, you can do so at johnjohnlannon.com. I love you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye!